Bagan, Myanmar is a land of ancient temples, golden sunsets, and timeless beauty. With over 2,000 pagodas scattered across its plains, choosing where to go can be overwhelming. In this video, we reveal the top 3 places you simply cannot miss. Get ready for a journey through history and wonder. Number 1. Shwesandaw Pagoda. Shwesandaw Pagoda is one of the most iconic and breathtaking spots in all of Bagan. Built in the 11th century by King Ananda, it stands tall with 5 steep terraces and a bell-shaped stupa on top. What makes this pagoda so special is its unmatched panoramic view of the Bagan Plains. From the top, you can see hundreds of ancient temples stretching across the horizon, creating a magical landscape, especially during sunrise and sunset. The air turns golden, and the sky fills with colorful hot air balloons, making it feel like you have stepped into a dream. This spot is a favorite for photographers and travelers alike who want to capture the true spirit of Bagan. While climbing is currently restricted to protect the structure, the view from nearby grounds is still spectacular and worth the visit. It is a perfect first stop to fall in love with Bagan. Number 2. Ananda Temple. Ananda Temple is often called the crown jewel of Bagan's temples, and for good reason. Built in 1105 AD during the reign of King Kyanzittha, it combines Mon and Indian architectural styles, making it one of the most beautiful and well-preserved temples in Myanmar. As you walk through its grand corridors, you will find 4 enormous standing Buddha statues, each facing a different direction and symbolizing peace, protection, compassion, and courage. The temple's walls are decorated with ancient murals that tell stories from the life of Buddha, offering a glimpse into the spiritual and artistic traditions of early Myanmar. Natural light streams in from high windows, adding a soft glow to the golden interiors. Ananda Temple is not just a place of worship, it is a spiritual experience that calms the heart and lifts the soul. It is a must-visit for anyone exploring the deep cultural roots of Bagan. Number 3. Dhammayangyi Temple. Dhammayangyi Temple is the largest temple in Bagan and one of the most mysterious. Built in the 12th century by King Narathu, the temple is often surrounded by legends of betrayal, murder, and regret. It has a massive, fortress-like appearance with thick brick walls and a dark, brooding energy that sets it apart from other temples in the area. What makes Dhammayangyi fascinating is its incredible brickwork, so precise that people say not even a needle can fit between the bricks. Many of its interior corridors remain sealed, adding to its eerie reputation. Some even believe it is haunted. Yet, despite its dark past, the temple's architecture and historical value are undeniable. It is a place where silence speaks loudly, where every shadow tells a story. For travelers seeking depth, mystery, and awe, Dhammayangyi Temple offers an unforgettable glimpse into Bagan's more hidden and haunting side. Bagan is more than a destination. It is a magical experience that stays with you forever. From stunning views to spiritual moments, these 3 spots capture the soul of Myanmar. If you love this journey, please like, subscribe, and share. More unforgettable travel adventures await. See you in the next video.